How do I apply to register a trademark? A viewer wants to know. I'm Angela Langlotz. I'm going to spend the next 3 minutes discussing that issue. I go live here on weekdays to talk trademark and copyright law. So somebody messaged me. Actually, they didn't message me and don't message me. Somebody dropped the comment into a video. They said, how do you register or apply for a trademark? Well, we all apply for trademarks at uspto.gov. That is the government website where we can apply. So it's easy to file your own trademark application. The problem, though, is that many of you are applying to register marks that have no hope at all of ever issuing. Why? Well, because you didn't do a search, or you did a search, but you didn't know how to analyze the search. So a lot of you are doing what I like to call exact match searches. So if you go to some place like LegalZoom or any of other of these cheap trademark services, that's exactly what they do too. The problem, though, is that those exact match searches don't find all the possible conflicts that could be a reason to refuse your trademark application. Recall that in order to register, your trademark must not be confusingly similar to a mark that's already registered. So there's a lot of things that go into that confusingly similar analysis, most of which are not obvious to a self-represented filer or even an inexperienced attorney. So what happens is people file these trademark applications and then they get a rejection, and they'll come to me and I'll say, I'm really sorry to tell you this, but this trademark never should have been filed in the first place. And a lot of people are very disappointed when I tell them that, but it's my job to tell them the truth. And if you apply to register a trademark that for whatever reason is too similar to something that's already on the record, you will get a refusal via an office action from the trademark examiner that will say, sorry, but we found in the record this serial number and this registration number, and we are citing those as a reason to refuse your trademark application. Now, can you persuade the examiner sometimes? Sometimes, but you have to know the right arguments to make. And most self-represented applicants, because they don't know the law, probably wouldn't be able to make a convincing argument for that. So if you have doubts about whether or not your trademark is registrable, you can contact me. You can find me online at Facebook. I'm at facebook.com/TrademarkDoctor. I have a YouTube channel. You can comment on my videos there, ask any questions, and I'll answer them in a future live video. Just go to YouTube and search Trademark Doctor. You can also find me on Parler. I'm on parler.com/TrademarkDoctor. So ask me any questions you have. I will answer them in a future live video.